Well, hello, young investors. Today, as I readied myself for the winter's cold, dear travel informed me I had a rather Dumbledore Hogwarts look to myself, so I figured why not keep it for the tutorial? Just kidding, those glasses don't even work. What's going on, guys? I'm Greg Ryan, and today we're going to cover my 5 reasons why I think I'm going to go for the WeBull $25,000 deposit, which will get me up to 60 free stocks. That's right. And just a reminder, guys, use that link below in the description that looks like act.webull.com to sign up for your free account today. You'll get 1 free stock just for signing up and successfully creating an account, and 2 more free stocks when you deposit $100 into WeBull. You don't have to do anything with that $100. You can trade stock if you want, or you can just take it back to your bank account once you get your free stock. And let me know what stocks you get. Guys, I'm going to be doing a ton of my earnings season and election season stock picks using WeBull. So I want you to have your account all set up in case you want to buy or sell those same stocks and see how far they'll take us. All right, so go ahead and get signed up using the link below, and let's proceed with the video. All right, ladies and gents, so the number one reason I'm going to try out the $25,000 WeBull deposit is free stocks. Who doesn't like the free stocks? It's free money, and it's something that grows over time if you hold on to it for long enough, ideally. Although most stocks go up, but not all stocks go up. And we're in a quarantine right now. A lot of people say we're actually in a recession. So I want to find every possible way to pad my income and my net worth and make my money work for me, which I'm sure you've heard is the way that all the millionaires that are in their millennial ages manage to do it. The second reason I'm doing this is because we can all discover free stocks together. I'm so curious to see what free stocks are actually coming out of this WeBull opportunity now that we know it actually works, and I got Zynga in our first video. Well, I've heard people are getting Teva, and I even had one of the subscribers email me saying they got Snap, which is amazing. That stock is worth almost $50 now. And I was like, oh, that's great. But it's also kind of bad because if you had done this opportunity offer 3 months ago, you would have gotten Snap at about $14 and you would have seen it rise up. And maybe when you got Snap at $14 for free, you would have decided to buy more. And then you would have made like almost 200% on your money. So it's really crazy how these little things like seeing a free stock or learning about a company like Snap, aka Snapchat, can change your investing and give you ideas you didn't even know existed before. The third reason we're going to try this WeBull offer is because I want to use WeBull like a savings investment fund. Sort of like your savings account at your bank account, except for the rates they're giving you now are way, way lower. Savings interest rates are so low right now, in fact, that if you look on Google for the best interest rates for money savings accounts, you might find something like 0.65%. Meaning if you invested $10,000 in that saving account, in a year, you would have made $65 on that $10,000. However, it gets real, and I mean really low. At Wells Fargo, where I keep most of my money, the savings interest rate is only 0.01%, meaning that $10,000 over a year only makes me, you guessed it, this much money. So not exactly going to change our life. If I put $25,000 in Wells Fargo at that rate, over a year, I'm actually only going to make $2.50. So again, total blah. But with our WeBull offer today, depositing that $25,000 into WeBull is going to guarantee I get 25 free stocks valued between $800 and $1,600. So that means I'll at least get 25 times 8, which is $200, which is a lot more than $2.50 on a return for my money. I'm in our cabin's basement here, by the way, and we got a little dog hotel going on upstairs that I can't wait to get to after we're done filming. The fourth reason I'm doing this video for you guys, and we're going to deposit $25K into WeBull, is because of trust. In our first video, we learned that they'll actually give us 1 free stock just for creating your account, and 2 more free stocks for 3 total stocks when you deposit $100, and they'll help you send free stocks to friends when you send your referral link to them. We already know that works, so I already have enough trust and faith in the app to deposit $25,000 and see where it takes us. If all of a sudden the app goes bankrupt or gets hacked by Russian spies and I lose my $25K, then that's on me. But I've actually already lost money in crypto, so I'm a little bit desensitized. Don't know if I'd go down that path if I were you. And I'm positive that WeBull insures our accounts up to a large amount of money. And finally, guys, the fifth reason That would be 10. The fifth reason I want to do this offer for you all is because I'm so curious if we're actually going to get that stock valued at $1,600. I think we can get there, and that's one reason why I'm encouraging all of you guys to sign up, because it might be you for an extremely small amount of effort, or maybe you'll send your referral link to a friend and they'll get it and they'll be like, oh my gosh, that's amazing. Maybe we'll split the proceeds or something. That's why I'm encouraging all you guys to sign up with that link in the description so you can get this offer going and try it out for yourself, because maybe there's only a few of those big stocks out there that people are going to get, and I'd rather have us get them than some other YouTube community. Plus, as a bonus reason, I think it'd be kind of cool to just blow 25 grand with you guys right here on YouTube. I've seen other YouTubers do it, and believe me, it creates quite a crazy scene, and the result is actually usually beneficial for everyone who watches and everyone involved. So without further ado, let's hop over to WeBull. I gotta do it on my computer because I don't know if I trust my iPhone's just random quirkiness with this amount of money. So let's hop over to the computer and throw some money at WeBull. Alright guys, so here we are at Google. We're gonna head over to WeBull. And big moment, but I'll try to do this quickly so you guys can get back to playing in your own WeBull accounts. So we're gonna click login. Pop in our password. Alright, I'm going to ask you to verify right here with your 6-digit trading password as well. In this case, we're already logged in, so we can go to Trade. Opens in a new window. And then we can just go to Account. We're going to unlock, so then you get that cool trading password. Mine's my phone unlock, so I always have to like look at the keypad and be like, boom, 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 boom. Alright, we're in. And you know what? I'm going to bring up my phone and do the same process with the deposit, because then we get to click the deposit tier promotion, and you'll probably be depositing your $100 to WeBull from your mobile device too. So we got to get comfortable with that if we're not already. Okay, so here we are on mobile and desktop, and right here where it says deposit tier promotion, that's what I'm going to click. And by the way, that will be available to you guys once you get into WeBull if you're targeted by them. So once you show some interest, make the deposit and maybe 1 or 2 stock trades. I'm hoping you get that, although it's not guaranteed that everyone gets a deposit tier promotion, because they say it is user targeted right there. Okay, so I'm going to get my deposit ready here on desktop by clicking banking and deposit. I know it looks a little different here, but WeBull is kind of a different interface on desktop because they want to look professional and they want to look fun on mobile. Alright, so I'm going to click get started on the phone at that same time, just so we make sure we lock in the deposit tier promotion. And it's just going to say like, oh, here you are ready to trade. So, same thing on the phone, we can click transfer, deposit, and let's get ready to send our entire life savings over to WeBull. And if you don't believe me, we can go to my bank account, and it's basically, I think about 90% of my checking, 25,000 out of 27,000 going in. So hope it works. I think it's going to be awesome because we already got those free stocks, so I definitely trust their business. And just a quick little lesson I want to jump in here and teach you guys as your mentor for these WeBull stock trades is that it's good to think about trading stock when the market is down. And I mean like really down. The Dow is down 925 points today. S&P's down 96 points. Nasdaq's down 312. Those are huge numbers. And even though it hurts, it's going to go down more when I refresh. Okay, it went up a little bit. Even though it hurts to think about trading stock when the market's down because you don't have that confidence of it's going up, it's going to keep going up, so I'm going to jump in, it's going to keep going up. This is actually the way you're supposed to do it. You're supposed to send in some money, deposit it when things are down to take advantage of it being low, and then hopefully we climb the market back up tomorrow. We're near an election, so anything's possible, but I have a lot of confidence here given I'm depositing about 90% of my checking account into WeBull, and I think we're going to take advantage of a nice little bottom here on the Dow, S&P, and Nasdaq. So let's do it. Alright, guys, so on your desktop, you would just pop in the amount right here. Or maybe you're just going to go for 100 if you prefer using the desktop. My phone seems to be behaving right now though. And we clicked that deposit tier promotion and the get started button on the phone. So I'm confident that it's going to work, and I want to make sure we get that offer. Plus you guys will be depositing $100 on your phone. So let's just go through that process. on our phone here. Got my iPhone 11, but it'll work on Androids too, of course, or any other iPhones. And here we go. It's going to ask us to confirm, which we do. If there's not the money, we'll get a $30 reversal, but we already checked it. We have the money. So let's go ahead and throw some change into a new stock trading app. And honestly, I'm excited because I know we're going to get those free stocks, and with the markets looking all crazy today, that money is not guaranteed, but free stock money is. And I think if Greg can take a leap of faith for $25K into WeBull, then you guys can sure go for $100 to get yourself those free stocks. So use the link in the description to do that. I'm going to go ahead and complete our tutorial here by clicking confirm. Alright guys, good stuff. It says your deposit request has been submitted. It'll be completed within 5 business days, and you'll get a provisional credit as instant buying power later today. During business hours, then you can start trading. So, kind of a silver lining, we can go ahead and buy that dip in the markets with our, what they call it, provisional credit, if we want to start trading stocks right away. And I'm kind of impatient with stocks, so maybe we'll do it. Look, it's already coming back up. We're only down 843 points in the Dow. Just shows guys that it pays to be patient and things will come back up. And when it's a down day, like today, and things are crashing and the world seems like the sky is falling and everyone's panicking because there's so many new cases of this and that, I'm not going to say the word because YouTubers don't want to be taken off for saying the word known as, you know what it is. Then on these days like this, you should think about buying and have a lot of faith because we will come back. Alright guys, so the silver lining times 2 is we get free stock. I'm going to show you that in another video in the future. But for now, happy trading on WeBull. See you in a bit.